Hi guys, welcome again in Chemistry World. In today's session, I am going to discuss about stoichiometry and stoichiometry calculations. This is part 2. In part 1st, we have read mass-mass relationship. If you didn't watch part 1st, you should watch the video. In part 2, we will read about mass, volume and volume-volume relationship. Here, mass or volume of a substance is given and volume of the other reactant or product is to be calculated. In part 1st, we have been discussed about stoichiometry and stoichiometric coefficients. So if you didn't watch part 1st, you should watch the video for understanding the relationship between mass, volume and volume. We take some exercise. So question is potassium chloride on decomposition give potassium chloride and oxygen gas. Calculate the volume of oxygen gas at normal temperature and pressure obtained by heating 0.1 mole potassium chlorate. So solution will be thermal decomposition of potassium chlorate is taking place according to the following equation. 2 moles of potassium chlorate after thermal decomposition converted into 2 moles of potassium chloride and 3 moles of oxygen gas. Here 3 moles of oxygen mean 3 into 22.4 liter. We know that volume of 1 mole of any gas at normal temperature and pressure is 22.4 liter. Therefore, 3 moles of oxygen, volume of 3 moles of oxygen is 3 into 22.4 liter. So, according to stoichiometry of the reaction, since 2 moles of potassium chlorate gives 2 moles of potassium chlorate gives 3 moles of oxygen at NTP. Therefore, 0.1 mole of potassium chlorate gives 3 into 22.4. Volume of 3 moles of oxygen is 3 into 22.4. Therefore, 0.1 mole of potassium chlorate gives after thermal decomposition 3 into 22.4 into 0.1 divided by 2. Therefore, resultant value is 3.36 liter oxygen gas at normal temperature and pressure. Very important question. Now next question. Calculate the volume of oxygen at normal temperature and pressure that would be required to convert 5.2 liter of carbon monoxide to carbon dioxide. So solution will be the balanced chemical equation for conversion of carbon monoxide to carbon dioxide is 2 moles of carbon monoxide when react with 1 mole of oxygen, then it converted into 2 moles of carbon dioxide. 2 moles mean 2 into 22.4 liter. And we can say in other words, volume of 2 moles of carbon monoxide is for 44.8 liter. So, according to stoichiometry of the reaction, from single rule method, since volume of oxygen required to convert 44.8 liter of carbon monoxide at NTP is 22.4 liter. 22.4 liter. Therefore, volume of oxygen required to convert 5 to 5.2 liter. Given value in the question 5.2 liter of carbon monoxide at NTP is equal to 22.4 divided by 44.8 into 5.2, resultant value is 2.6 liter. Now we will take some multiple choice type questions. You can solve all these questions yourself after pausing the video. So welcome again in Abhigyan multiple choice type question series. Question first is, how many grams of calcium carbonate will give 11.2 liter carbon dioxide gas at NTP on strong heating? Option A, B, C and D. So solution will be, calcium carbonate undergoes thermal decomposition as follows. 1 mole of calcium carbonate converted into 1 mole of calcium oxide and 1 mole of CO2 gas after thermal decomposition. 1 mole calcium carbonate means 100 gram. 1 mole of calcium oxide means 56 grams and 1 mole of CO2 means 44 grams. Thus, according to stoichiometry of the reaction, since 22.4 liter, 1 mole means 22.4 liter CO2. 22.4 liter CO2 is obtained from 100 gram of calcium carbonate. Therefore, 11.2 liter given value, 11.2 liter CO2 is obtained from 100 into 11.2 divided by 22.4, resultant value is 50 gram calcium carbonate. So answer will be option A, 50 gram. Now next, second question is, the volume of oxygen at NTP required for the complete combustion of 200 milliliter acetylene is, very important question, option A, B, C and D. So answer will be, so the combustion of acetylene is 2 moles of acetylene and 5 moles of oxygen after combustion converted into 4 moles of CO2 and 2 moles of water. 2 moles mean here volume is given in milliliter. So 2 milliliter, 5 milliliter. Similarly, 4 means 4 milliliter and 2 means 2 milliliter according to the condition of caution. Therefore, according to stoichiometry of the reaction, since 2 milliliter acetylene require 2 milliliter acetylene require 5 ml of O2 at normal temperature and pressure for combustion. Therefore, 200 ml given value in the portion, 200 ml acetylene require 5 into 200 upon 2. Resultant value is 500 ml O2 at NTP. So answer will be option B. Now the third question, to convert 2.6 liter carbon monoxide to CO2 at NTP, the required O2 in liters is 2.4 to 1.3, none of the above. So answer will be, balanced chemical equation is 2 moles of carbon monoxide when react with 1 mole of oxygen gas, then it converted into 2 moles of CO2 gas. Here 2 moles of CO mean 2 into 22.4 liter and 1 mole of oxygen mean 22.4 liter. So according to stoichiometry of the reaction, since volume of oxygen required to convert 44.8 liter CO at NTP is equal to 22.4 liter. Therefore, volume of oxygen required to convert 2.6 given value, 2.6 liter of carbon monoxide at NTP is equal to 22.4 into 2.6 divided by 44.8. Resultant value is 1.3 liter. So answer will be option C. And last question बोलो, volume of 2 gram methane at STP is very important question. Option A, B, C and D. So answer will be 1 mole of methane means 16 gram. Since volume of 16 gram methane at standard temperature and pressure is equal to 22.4 liter. 1 mole means 22.4 liter. Therefore, volume of 2 gram given value, volume of 2 gram methane at STP is equal to 22.4 into 2 divided by 16 is equal to 2.8 liter. So answer will be option A, 2.8 liter. Hopefully guys, you have understood about mass volume and volume relationship. Thanks for watching that video.